Wes from Jersey Village has a question about pole dancing.
Save this one for Friday.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
So Wes writes, I'm fighting Jersey Village City Hall, and I need to know how to get structural and load analysis for a dance pole project. I want to know how big a dancer you're putting on that you're worried about that.
That's true. You need to know the load first.
Everybody, has their own kink, I guess. But yeah, here's his pole that he's working on.
Okay.
Anyway, I don't know if I need an architect, a mechanical engineer, or both, but I will tell you this, Wes, you've lightened our day. So, Tom, how would you verify the design of this thing?
I've never designed one. I know you don't need a mechanical engineer because they work on, electrical systems and things like that.
Unless the pole is electrified, which be,
And an architect, unless he's visited many of pole places, probably would not be helpful either. You know who would be good with this? We used to have a sponsor, Deaver Engineering. He is a structural engineer, and there's a bunch of them out there. It just came to mind that.
Yeah, but he's a good guy.
He is a good guy, but I don't know what he's going to say when he asks you this. But I do know this, that I did put a fire pole in a home once, and the engineer did specify the connectors. People wanted to slide down the pole in their house.
Oh, right.
I thought it was kind of dangerous myself.
There was a time when that was very popular, and there probably is still with some people.
Pole dancing?
Pole dancing for fitness, because apparently
that's true.
You're going to have. I've never seen a flabby pole dancer.
I actually don't think I've ever seen one. Except on maybe King of Queens or something.
Right. Okay, kids. Go ahead and send us your question. And as you can see, we've got quite the bandwidth of things we'll answer about home improvements and such. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom form and send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.